635 light years away from Earth lies Matthew McConaughey's dream, an interstellar world covered in liquid ocean that you could build a home on. A world where you were told you could take your helmet off.
We're expressly warned against this.
Say hello to my little friend, Kepler 22b. Hey y'all, I've got an exciting mission to land on and explore a planet that could be Earth 2.0. This time, I'm traveling to an exoplanet where I might actually have a chance to survive. Exoplanets are like planets in our solar system, except they orbit different stars. They're cool, but there's just one problem. Exoplanets are really far away. So your solar system is this tiny little neighborhood with planets and moons orbiting around a sun at its center. And potentially, light years away, there are billions of other tiny little neighborhoods left to be explored. Now, you might have heard of the exoplanet that I'm going to. It's called Kepler 22b, and it's not that far.
Distance from Earth, 635 light years.
Okay, only 635 light years. I'll be there in no time.
Even with advanced propulsion technology, a spacecraft traveling at 20% of the speed of light would require 3,175 Earth years to reach Kepler 22b.
Buzzkill. Well, luckily, I'm at a spaceport, and they have this, warp drive technology. So I'll be there in a jiff.
The warp drive technology allows a spaceship to travel faster than light by bending space-time. The warp drive creates a bubble around the ship, moving it through space safely, 99.7% of the time.
Yeah, Rico, technobabble, blah, blah, blah. Never tell me the odds, kid. Let's do this. Well, hello, Kepler. Kepler 22b is the It Girl exoplanet in its cosmic neighborhood. It's actually the only child of its star system. It got all the attention from its mama star growing up, and now it looks all brave and strong. And it orbits its star in the habitable zone. Pretty cool.
This can infer that there is
Alien civilization.
water on the planet's surface.
Oh. Water. Right, that stuff. It's because the habitable zone leaves the planet in a temperature range where liquid water can hang out. You know, like a party with snacks and drinks. Great vibes. Instead of evaporating like it would on Venus, or freezing like it would on Mars. Like a party with no lights on and a bunch of bees. The star, Kepler 22, is also basically a brother to Earth's sun. It's just a slightly smaller G-type star, meaning its surface boils and bubbles, toils and troubles at a chill 5,200 degrees Celsius. So the setup for this landing is very meet-cute. The only thing that could be chafing Rico is how big this big boy is. But I don't see how that's a problem. It's just more surface to love. I mean, sure, it might have stronger gravity or earthquakes. Kepler quakes? But Earth has earthquakes too, and it's doing just fine.
The larger size of the exoplanet might indicate the presence of a thick atmosphere, leading to high surface pressure. This could result in water existing in a supercritical state, neither a true liquid nor gas, making it less suitable for life as we know it. As a space explorer, it is your duty to find and explore interesting phenomena. Kepler 22b could have oceans or other notable scientific data, land masses, ocean life, weather patterns, geothermal undersea vents, volcanic activity, magnetosphere interactions, solar flare protection.
Land. So here goes the landing sequence. Whew. Yay, science! Let's see some of those land masses. It's been almost an hour, and all I see is water. Water! Everywhere water! I don't think I can land here. Seriously, Kepler, you are one disappointing exoplanet. Give up, Rico. Wake me up if you see any land.
My sensors read land right below us. You are cleared for landing.
Seriously? I can't even take a nap. Okay, let's land. Whoa, this atmosphere is thick. Rico, give me some stats on this planet.
Kepler 22b is a super-Earth, 2.1 times larger and 9.1 times more massive than Earth. It has an orbital period of 289.9 Earth days. It also has water.
Oh, does it? Does it have water? Oh God, thank you so much, Rico. You know, the atmosphere actually kind of looks breathable too. You know, this started out super annoying, but this is actually kind of cool.
Analyzing Kepler 22b atmosphere.
You do that. I'm gonna go see what's out there. Interesting. Oh. That feels nice. I can go skinny dipping in here.
That would violate YouTube's terms of service.
Not if it's a music video, technically. Ooh, Rico, what's the temperature out here? I'm starting to feel like some warm bread in a toaster. Toasty.
The equilibrium temperature on Kepler 22b is estimated to be 22 degrees Celsius. However, my sensors pick up a much higher surface temperature.
Oh yeah? I'm feeling a pretty thick atmosphere, so maybe Lil Keppy is heating up because of the greenhouse effect, turning this into a home away from home for some sauna enthusiasts. Just hope the temp doesn't keep going up, otherwise all the water will vaporize and, well, I won't be able to host my annual apple pie contest here this year. Kepler, like a good apple pie, needs just the right amount of crust, atmosphere. Going the other way, with less atmosphere, can be equally as devastating. With nothing to hold in the heat from the day, the planet would become a frozen wasteland, much like a pie left out for too long on a windowsill. Oh my God, I'm hungry. I really want some pie. It sounds just like Mercury. Not my favorite planet. My favorite planet is Uranus. Kepler 22b, it seems okay. It's a little tough to walk here.
The surface gravity on Kepler 22b is approximately 2.07 times the gravity of Earth.
Yeah, thanks. I noticed that one, Rico. Hey, have you analyzed the atmosphere yet?
Analysis in process.
Oh, so the answer was no. You're still okay. Now, I read in Space Digest that super-Earths are likely to have hydrogen and helium, aka don't light a match, am I right?
Lighting a match would not be possible.
Yeah, well, fine. I guess you do need oxygen for there to be a fire, so if there's none here, then I couldn't breathe, and I couldn't get a fire going for my rustic apple pie recipe.
Ingredients for a pie include water. Water on Kepler 22b would not be suitable, as it could contain heavy metals or other contaminants. Potential fatal exposure. Consumption not recommended.
Great. So, there's water on Kepler 22b, not that I can drink it, and the atmosphere's in place, and the temperature's all right. What am I missing? Where's all the life?
There is life. trees and other complex macrostructures.
Not a single piece of evidence for life. Pathetic planet. No wonder Kepler named you B. Definitely not A material. Did you hear that?
My scans are not picking up any animate life forms.
I gotta check this out. I just need a break first. All this walking around makes me sore. I gotta sit down for a second. I just need to catch my breath.
The atmosphere analysis is not complete.
It's okay. 1 second's not gonna kill me.
Analysis complete.
Something's wrong.
The atmosphere caused your lungs to collapse as a result of barotrauma.
Okay. Thank you. Gross! Who's that laying dead on the ground? Oh, that's me. Ugh, I hate when that happens. You can almost see the internal organ failure. Never feels good watching that back. Yuckies. But not to worry, I'm still here, and I'm already on to my next planet. Kepler 22b was a pretty big letdown, not even mentioning the apple pie contest fiasco, in that there wasn't one, which is a crime against apples. Anyways, I died on Kepler 22b, but like, next time? For realsies, I'll survive. It's legitimately guaranteed or your money back. So yeah. Definitely surviving. See you next time. Subscribe to see. Ow! My toe! Friggin' Rico! Did you leave this trans-dimensional supercomputer laying right here in the hallway? I swear, man, if you don't start cleaning up after yourself.